Yesterday, people were sleeping outside on the streets of New York, Dubai, and London. Not for a concert, not for a new iPhone, for a watch that costs $400. And some of those people woke up and flipped it for $5,000. That is a 1,150% return, overnight. Today, I am breaking down exactly what happened, whether this is a legit investment move, and what it teaches us about making money from hype. So first, what actually dropped? It is called the Royal Pop. It is a collab between two Swiss watch brands, Audemars Piguet, one of the most prestigious luxury watchmakers in the world, and Swatch, the brand you probably saw in the mall as a kid. Now here is what makes this wild. In 54 years, AP has never licensed the Royal Oak design to anyone. Not to Travis Scott, not to Marvel, not to anyone. On May 16th, 2026, that changed for the first time ever. The actual watch is a pocket watch in 8 colorways, with the iconic Royal Oak octagonal design. It clips onto a lanyard, hangs from your neck or jacket, and it retails for just $400. That is it. $400 for an AP. The luxury watch world lost their minds. Here is where it gets insane. At Times Square, people camped outside overnight. In Dubai, crowds gathered at the mall at 3 in the morning, and it got so out of hand, the launch was cancelled entirely. In Mumbai, the boutique did not even open because the crowd was too big. You could not buy it online, in-store only. 200 Swatch boutiques worldwide, 1 watch per person per day. And the resale market? It was already moving before the stores even opened. On StockX, over 100 watches sold the day before the official release. One buyer paid $8,410 for the complete set. The average resale price settled around $905, more than double retail. Even the lanyards were flipping for $245. So people were paying $400 in store and reselling for nearly $1,000. Same day. Now let us talk numbers, because this is what your money brain should be focused on. Retail price, $400. Average resale on day 1, $905. That is a 126% return in 24 hours. High-end resale on rare colorways, $1,500 to $5,000 plus. For context, the S&P 500 averages about 10% a year. These people made 10 years of stock market returns before lunch. But here is the honest truth, and this is where most people get burned. We have seen this exact pattern before. The Swatch X Omega MoonSwatch launched in 2022 with day 1 resale prices of $2,400. Within 6 months, prices dropped back down to $400 to $700. So if you are holding a Royal Pop right now, thinking it is going to $10,000, maybe. But history says prices fall hard after the first wave. The people who won? The ones who got in early and sold fast. But here is what I actually want you to take away from this, because this is not really about watches. This is about understanding hype economics, and it shows up everywhere. Sneakers, NFTs, concert tickets, limited edition Pokemon cards, even IPO stocks. The formula is always the same. Scarcity plus desire plus exclusivity equals a price spike. Swatch engineered this perfectly. In-store only, 1 per person, no online sales, 8 colorways, limited boutiques. They manufactured FOMO at scale, and rapper DDG, who has spent $200,000 on AP watches, went on a live stream absolutely furious. He said, "AP, what is up, man? I done spent $200,000 on one of your watches. You telling me I could have waited until 2026 and spent $400 and got the same effect?" That is the power of luxury democratization, and it creates massive market energy every single time. All right, how do you actually play these situations? Here is the framework. Number 1. Identify the signal early. The APX Swatch rumors were circulating weeks before launch. People who were paying attention prepped. Number 2. Understand the resale market. StockX, GOAT, eBay. Check them before you buy, not after. Number 3. Flip fast or hold long. Either sell in the first 48 hours at peak hype, or hold 1 to 2 years for the collectible premium to build. The middle is the danger zone. Number 4. Do not risk money you cannot lose. These watches are made of bioceramic, not serviceable, and the movement is not adjustable. This is a cultural object, not a Rolex. So is the APX Swatch Royal Pop a good investment? Maybe, if you already have one and you sell this week. But the real investment lesson here is this. Money follows attention, always. Whether it is a $400 pocket watch or a $40 stock, when something captures culture's attention and supply is limited, price goes up. Your job as someone building wealth is to recognize those moments before the crowd does. If you want more videos breaking down how culture, hype, and real investing strategy connect, subscribe right now. And drop a comment below. Did you try to get one of these? I want to know. See you in the next one.